So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in power cfg space / last week and then click on enter. It's now going to be showing the last thing that woke up your computer. It might be saying like keyboard, it might be saying mouse, it might be saying USB, it might be saying network adapter. If it says any of those, then you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Let's say that it said it was your mouse that woke up your computer. Then you want to come to device manager and you want to expand mice and other pointing devices. You want to find your mouse, you want to right click on it and then click on properties. You want to go to the power management tab. It's going to be saying allow this device to wake the computer. Make sure that you have this unticked and then click on OK. Another common example, it might be saying for you here, wake online. If it does say that, then you want to expand network adapters. You want to find your network adapter, right click on it, and then click on properties. Again, go to the power management tab, make sure that you have allow this device to wake the computer unticked, and then click on OK. See if that works for you. You can also repeat that for other devices that you have, such as your USB and your audio. If it's an application, then just go to search and type in startup apps. Click on it. If there are any applications in this list that you do not want to start automatically when your computer turns on, then just turn it off. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on change advanced power settings. And now once we're here, you want to expand sleep. Now you want to expand allow wake timers. Make sure that you have this on disabled. It might also be saying for you, on battery and plugged in, you want to set that to disabled as well if it does say that for you. And then click on OK. For the last method, just do a simple restart of your computer. Hopefully, one of these methods would have fixed your problem.